OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Poco F3 GT. So one of my subscribers asked me to make this video, so I'm making this video. So let's first start with the display size comparison. This Poco F3 GT mobile comes with a bigger 6.67 inches of OLED, 1 billion color supported, HDR10 plus certified 120Hz refresh rate display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. At the same time, this OnePlus Nord 2 mobile comes with a 6.43 inches of slightly smaller, a 90Hz refresh rate fluid AMOLED display, and it is a also HDR10 plus certified display protected by the same Gorilla Glass 5. And when we talk about the processor, this is the section which these two mobiles comes close or equal. MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, which is a 6nm based octa-core 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G bands, when we talk about the 5G, this mobile comes with a 3 bands of 5G, where this mobile comes with a 2 bands of 5G. Okay. And when we talk about the cam availability, these two mobiles will be available in different variants, where this mobile comes in 3 variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256, and also the 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants with no expandable memory, obviously. And when we talk about the types, UFS 3.1 storage with LPDDR4X RAMs. Now we all know that why they have given the LPDDR4X RAM, because MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor supports only LPDDR4X RAM. It doesn't support LPDDR5 RAM, so that's the reason. At the same time, this mobile also comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. That means it also comes with a LPDDR4X RAM type, and it comes with a UFS 2.1 storage capacity instead of 3.1. And when we talk about the cameras, this is the section which divides these two mobiles in different categories. This one comes with the triple cameras, where you can find 64 main, 8 ultra wide, and 2 macro 3 cameras. At the same time, this OnePlus Nord C mobile also comes with 50 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of ultra wide secondary, 2 megapixels of macro third cameras. We can shoot up to 4K 30fps with these two mobiles back cameras. When we talk about the front facing, this mobile comes with 16, this mobile comes with 32 megapixels of front facing selfie cameras. For the batteries, we can see a bigger difference between these two mobiles when we talk about the battery. This OnePlus Nord 2 mobile comes with a 4500 mAh of battery, supports 65 watts of fast charge. And this Poco F3 GT mobile comes with a 5065 mAh of bigger battery than this mobile, and it supports 67 watts of fast charge. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with a side mounted, this mobile comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile doesn't have a 3.5mm jacks, and this mobile doesn't comes with any IP68 water resistant. So the final conclusion of this video is, if you want a performance oriented mobile for gaming, choose this Poco F3 GT mobile, because this mobile also comes with two 8 triggers, which are physical 8 triggers. So because this mobile is made to perform in games, this mobile is optimized for games. With this OnePlus Nord C mobile, you can also game on this mobile, but this mobile doesn't give you the exact performance like this mobile, because this is a gaming oriented mobile, but this is a product, like this is a normal game. You can also game on this mobile, but not like this mobile. So yeah, because this mobile has everything a gamer needs: 8 triggers, bigger battery, bigger display, and fast charge. Because this mobile doesn't have that bigger display, that bigger battery, that fast charge. So if you want a clean UI user experience, you are a OnePlus fan, you can choose this mobile. So yeah, that's the conclusion. So if you have any more video suggestions, give me in the comment section down below. I'll definitely make a video on this. By the way, when we talk about the pricing, this mobile will be priced at 32,000 rupees, almost 31,999. This mobile will be priced at 30,000, almost 29,999. So wait until the mobile release. I will make a wait until these two mobile releases. I will make a dedicated videos about these two mobiles separately when they release. So subscribe to the channel.